Okay, this is the liquid sample of the fumigation that was being done last night in Hall. Last night was 8th of September, and they were fumigating at past midnight in the streets. So I ran and I collected from a pool, as seen in the previous video. I prepare one sample with one drop. I took a one drop with this. With this, I clean it and I took one drop and I put it in the crystal there. I clean crystal very well both times, and now we will see what we can see there in this. So let's see if I okay. So we will start to move around from one corner to another. This is a 40 times magnification. Okay, look this immediately. Found something interesting there. I will see what it is. This is like a metallic substance. The same thing that I found the other day. This start to agglutinate. I don't know what it is, but we will continue search. It has fibers as well. Look, the fibers. What those fibers are, I don't know. Looks, it might be anything anyways. Okay, let's continue. So I will continue moving this and make a scan. This is pretty clean. More things there. Little dots. Little dots. Here there is something. We will magnify a little bit this. Looks like chemical particles this time. It is not salt crystals because they dilute in water. This is something like sulfur. It smelled like sulfur last night. For that reason I say like sulfur. Let's see this. What is this? Hard to say. It's like a crystal. Let's go back to the. So we're going that way. Okay. Oh, what do we have here? Look. Oh my god, this is interesting. This is at 100 times. It's like a fiber of something. There is a malinki, a smaller one there. Let's see the smaller one. What is that? It's a fiber of something as well. Oh. I don't know what is this. This is 400 times. Let's put that 1,000 times. I don't know what it is. Some sort of crystals. It is not biological, it is a fiber, definitely. That's it. So let's go back to 40. Continue scanning the area. This is one tiny drop of liquid that I pick up in a street pool last night. What is this thing? $400. No, pardon me, that was 100. Now it is 400. It's strange, you think. I will look at the 1,000 times. Definitely something strange. I'm not expert of this material, so I don't know what it is. Actually, I'm an amateur microscopy fan, amateur, forced by the COVID situation. Because I found, okay, that's it. I think that's it. Because I found brittle fibers in the PCR swab tests. Fibers that broke when they put it in your nose. So this is pretty much, I cannot move forward. Look, there is another fiber that I want to focus, this one, the small one that's crossing the big one. Let's see, closer look. Interesting. 1,000 times. No, 400 times probably. They are the same material, both fibers. The question is, this is not cotton for sure. Cotton is different. That's what I know. Something like this might be cotton. That's cotton. That's a cotton fiber on top of the microscope. And this other is in between the layers of crystal. And it's different. That might be cotton as well. This I don't know. That's it. Ah, and there is something, another molecule there. Orange. I don't know, glyphosate maybe? I don't know. The odor of this thing was very stinky. Very stinky. I'll leave it up to you, the watcher, to see, to identify what this could be. This is interesting, huh? I found in the rainwater in the chemtrails the other day, after the chemtrails, in the rain that came after the train chemtrails, the same pattern. This is interesting pattern. It's in the remain of the water. It tends to group this thing. I don't know what it is. This is very interesting. And in the other day, after the rain from the chemtrails, I found a lot of this, a lot. It's a mystery to me. I don't know what material is, but it's some sort of nanoparticles because they are very tiny. This is 1,000 times. 1,000 times. I can play a little bit with the filter, with the condenser, but it's not much that I can. So anybody who can know what it can suggest what it is would be welcome. Thank you.